Hello everyone, this is Phil Kenneth. We are doing an handing over as per the culture of Phil Kenneth. This male puppy is out of the General Cooper and Ashanti. And as per the religious culture of Phil Kenneth, we are doing an handing over to the forever home. David, at Phil Kenneth, we produce best of that?
Best of the best.
Best of that?
Best of the best.
That is your puppy now. This is the card. You've been pimped. Phil Kenneth to produce best of that?
Best of the best. Number one.
Best
Thank
of
you.
the best.
Best of that?
For 3 months.